Let's make junk journals. This is such a wonderful way to use up all kinds of scrap papers, any kind of excess items you have in your studio. Incorporating them into a junk journal is such a nice way to recycle. And you know what? When nothing matches, everything matches, if you know what I mean. I'm Cano-Murillo, the Crafty Chica, and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you like this project. Now, something people ask me a lot is, how is junk journaling different from scrapbooking? Well, I have been a professional, full-time creative crafter, all of that, for more than 20 years. And you know, scrapbooking, it just never really landed with me. I think it's the matter of the pressure of having the layout look so beautiful, and I just couldn't achieve that polished, elegant look. But junk journaling is a whole other story. It is about using up excess supplies, patterns, scrapbook papers, ephemera, different papers from your travels. I have saved everything from menus to maps, sugar packets, coasters, all kinds of things, and incorporated them into my junk journal. Now, this is the basics of how to make one of these. I started this with using a heavy cardstock from a jumbo loteria game that I had, and I measured it to be 5 by 7. And then I gathered up all different pages to put inside that would fit within that 5 by 7 area. Now, if you want your pages to expand beyond the 5 by 7, that is totally cool as well. But I like to store these on my shelf, and I don't want to damage any of the pages, so I do like to keep them compact within the size of the cover. And the pages don't have to be all the same size. Be creative, cut up smaller pieces. It makes it more interesting. At the end of the day, when this is done, we're going to go in and decorate each page. So that will be a separate video. So you can see I have placed my pages in order that I want them to be, and then I put clips on each end to keep them together. I'm using 6-strand embroidery thread and a very large sharp needle. I want my bow, my tie, to be on the inside of the journal. So I started in the center, poked a big hole, and fed my thread up through the center, over to the right with another hole, came back and brought the thread all the way across to that third hole, went up through the middle of the cover and down towards the middle hole. Just rewind and you can rewatch the process on this video, because I know that was a lot. Tie off the end inside and make sure all of your pages are nice and secure. Look at how cool this turned out. I used pages from a notepad, classified ads from a Mexican newspaper, a brochure for my ceramic glazes, just anything I could find, because I'm going to go in and add papers and washi tape and all kinds of decorations on each page. Here's a sample of another one that I did. Love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching.